Welcome to Vipin, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Vipin provide job in IT MNCs.
Hi everyone, I am Vipin Tongi. I completed my graduation in Information Technology from North Maharashtra University, and after that completion of my degree, one of my friend told me that you have to join Vision, and Vision is a really very good institute. And after the joining of Vision, I got place in HCL Nagpur, and in there I got 2.4 LPA. And thank you Vision. Really, Vision is very good institute. They provide each and everyone very good knowledge, and trainer are also good. They provide everything, and thank you Vision.